Want to take a step back from it?
Now that we're on the road, I'd like to welcome you all. As the conditions of our voyage may be unpredictable, please remain seated at all times. Let's take it down. Take it out easy, balance dash 10,000. Speed 0.6 knots. Steer 30 degrees. All in. Steady as she goes. As we leave the coast and head towards open, you'll notice that this is a popular spot for divers searching for exotic fish. Please, stand by for watch. Our destination today is quite extraordinary. A newly erupting deep water volcano. Even here in the shallows, we can see evidence of such geothermal forces constantly at work. You can tell by our surroundings that they can make some pretty dramatic changes to the landscape. These remnants of ancient civilization have been hidden for centuries beneath the ocean floor. It's unearthed by a tremendous volcanic event. The colourful reef that surrounds us is a biological community that thrives in warm, shallow waters. It usually takes more than a year for a coral to grow to 40 degrees. An amazing fact when you consider that Australia's Great Barrier Reef stretches over 2,000 kilometres. As we leave this long-lost community, we're about to enter the community of a different kind, the coral reef. No worries. Take it down fast and deep. All controls, 8 degrees down. Sonar hydrophones to actually hear the fish talk. Where are you?
别了，你不要吓你自己好不好？不要吓你自己啊，假的。It's just a race.
Hold her steady. Take her into the car. All hands standing. East Australian current is like an undersea highway. Many creatures can be found commuting in this current, including the majestic sea turtle.
We ain't seen any marlin. This is not funny, and I know funny. I'm a clown. I am looking for my son.
I can help you.
It's Nemo. That's my son Nemo. We better make huge adventure together. No one
White stripes and his home?
Yes, I can see them.
See who?
We're not going to eat you. At least we're all at once. Right then. I am a life shark, not a mindless eating machine. These are friends, not food. Right then, mates. Easy does it. You will want one of these balloons. That's it. Easy.
Steady, sir.
Let's resume speed.
Nice and there. Okay, go.
Dory? Dory?
Wait.
What?
Somebody touch me!
It's me.
How do I know it's you? It could be anybody.
It's not anything. It's me.
Do I know you?
Dory.
Talk about a small world. My name's Dory too. Hey, first, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Jellyfish.
Right. Okay, now.
It's jellyfish.
And I'm thinking,
Jellyfish. And next one, jellyfish.
all right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Stop playing games.
Come on, it's fun.
No, Dory. I like it too. Let's go.
I love parties. I found the hot tub.
It's not about finding hot tubs. It's about finding Nemo. Nemo, I found him. I'm sorry.
If you guys promise me we're gonna
We survived an erupting volcano, Nemo. Nemo? Nemo? Say something. When fish can
I found Chico.
Nemo! It's Nemo! Nemo! You're so cute!
Just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do you do? Swim, swim, swim.
Crikey.
Trying to any of these on the line.
No, mate, forget it. Nobody will believe it anyway. We better take her up before we have a run in with a sea serpent or an encounter with a mermaid.
Aye, aye, Captain.
We are surfacing and approaching our home port. We've enjoyed having you aboard on this adventurous voyage. Thanks for joining us. Have a top day. Station to the Beverly Watch. Rig ship for mooring.
Reducing speed and proceeding to berth 29er. Stand by the dock.
All ahead 1/3. Stand by the mooring lines. Now, folks, when the cabin lights come on, please stand and disembark to your right. Take small children by the hand and watch your step up the ladder. Please use the handrail.
We're gonna try.
All ashore. All ashore, please. Check you later.
Do you want to watch that?